Good day everyone, I'm Ramona Jesmos. My topic is all about the role of human capital management strategy. It's important to know the human capital management is a practice organizations use to attract, recruit, train, develop, and retrain the best employees to achieve short and long-term objectives. The system allows companies to invest in their employees to allow them to contribute at the highest level to the achievement of the business goals. Human capital management is the effective acquisition, employment, and development of a company's employees through strategic and tactical practices, process, and application in order to maximize their economic value. To be most effective, the set of human capital management practices, processes, and applications should be focused on the organization need to provide specific competencies. Why is human capital management important? Human capital management is important because employees, the individual who spend much time each day working and contributing to the success of an organization, are a valuable resource that can either make or break an organization. There are some benefits of human capital management. First, improve human capital management. Second, enhance the recruitment process. Third, identifies capability gaps. Fourth, improve organic growth. Fifth, matches position with employees' capabilities. Sixth, improves productivity and efficiency. 7. Improves performance reviews. 8. Allows better career planning. Improve human capital management. The main advantage of human capital management is that provides a process for managing a company's people resources. It creates an overall system the human resource department can use to deliver the best talents and train them to achieve organizational goals. Enhance the recruitment process. Effective human capital management make it easier to attract the best candidates to your organization. It offers hiring manager a database of candidates with the best job-specific skills and experience. Identify capability gaps. A vital role of human capital management is to identify gaps in the capabilities of the workforce. This helps the human resource department adjust the recruitment criteria to fill positions that will improve organization's ability to achieve its objectives. Improve organic growth. Since human capital management can identify the competencies of individual employees, it is a powerful tool of organic growth. It achieves this by helping the organization optimize internal resources to improve productivity and boost revenue. Match position with employee capabilities can help organizations match employees with positions where they can use their skills and talents. This is because the system has processes that can identify the individual strengths and competencies of employees. Improve productivity and efficiency. It's all about making the best use of available human resources for maximum returns. By investing in training that develops specific capabilities the organization needs to accomplish its goals, human capital management helps boost productivity. Improve performance reviews. Human capital management promotes excellence by improving the effectiveness of performance reviews. It provides different levels of employee appraisal including self-reviews, peer reviews, and manager reviews. This provides employees with actionable feedback on their contributions to their organizations and motivates them to do more. Allow better career planning. It gives employees more control over their career. It identifies capability gaps through training, survey, performance review, and other sources of feedback. This helps employees to know areas where they need to improve to deliver better results in personal and company goals. How to improve human capital management? Organizations that depend on their employees for much of their success must always find better ways to manage their human capital. Here are ways to improve human capital management. First, invest in existing staff. Second, personalize human capital management. Third, leverage technology. Fourth, align human capital management with business goals. Fifth, improve communication. The function of human capital management. The primary function of human capital management is to increase the value of people resources so that they can contribute meaningfully to the organization. Here are the roles of human capital management in a company. First, hire talent. One of the most important functions of human capital management is to attract and hire talent that helps the organization achieve its goals. It provides all tools the human resources department needs to position to the organization as an ideal workplace to the best candidates and make the recruitment process hitch-free. Second, orientation. Managing human capital requires the effective and efficient onboarding of new employees. It introduces them to the company culture, job requirements, and expectations, and creates an enabling environment that helps them fit into their roles. Third, employee training and development. Another function of human capital management is to provide adequate training to help employees deliver the best performance for the organization. Fourth, employee retention. Human capital management aims to increase employee job satisfaction by giving them the opportunity to use their skills and knowledge to contribute to organizational objectives. Fifth, effective performance appraisal and feedback. Human capital management creates multiple systems for measuring performance to improve productivity and efficiency. Through a variety of people, review, and survey, these practices can help management identify gaps in training, resources, job satisfaction, and other things that can affect the effectiveness of the workforce. 6. Provides access to data. Human capital management provides a database of actionable insight that can help management add more value to their employees.